Nigeria was rated as the world #1 user of bleaching cream and its derivative. With this kind of publication, the need for organic products and natural skincare products serve as alternative. Organic products made with natural ingredients are milder, cleaner, non-toxic, is not harsh to the skin, is safer. This alone make our products outstanding and uniquely made. My business started from my bedroom, where I managed to produce my first skincare products. Initially, I started this business as a personal one by sharing most of my products to close friends and neighbors. Also, we generate income when we registered on Google My Business. This platform has really been of tremendous help to the growth of my business because it has shown that from the graph above, you will see that each day we have close to 100 or 200 people viewing our products online. And sometimes most of them make an order, which we deliver to them using our dispatch rider. Our achievement so far has been that, firstly, we went online to build our e-commerce platform that will sell our products around the world. Also, as I said before, we've moved from a bedroom setting to a shop, to a space where we carry out production. And thirdly, our online sales using the social media platform, Facebook, WhatsApp My Business, and Instagram. All these social platforms have really exposed the business, and it has also been as a part of income generation to the business. Let me use this medium to also thank my audience, my customers, and my critics, for without them, there will not be Skin Triumph Organic Skin and Natural Products. Thank you.